Hi guys, I'm unboxing some products I bought from Lazada. This time, this is included in my zero waste lifestyle na gusto ko to lessen plastic. So I've been buying bath essentials na walang plastic. So I got some face and body bar and some shampoo bars. So ito naman, yung unang-una is the activated charcoal with lavender. Sabi nila is good for hair growth and cleanses impurities. And also yung mga dandruff and scalp dryness na titreat din niya. While the Himalayan sea salt and guava extract naman helps in nourishing hair, making them stronger. At the same time, sa body naman, it stimulates circulation. So hopefully, okay siya. And I got some shampoo bars also, specifically for me and my son. What I got for him is yung Pure Bliss na may aloe and green tea extract. Kasi problem nilaga yung dry and itchy scalp. So hopefully, this would help. Softening hair din at saka nourishes and prevents split ends. While I got naman the patchouli, an orange na ray of sunshine. It strengthens hair roots daw at saka dry and damaged hair. So hopefully, this will help our hair health. And sinamahan ko na rin siya ng Viva Vanilla Conditioner Bar. Lahat ng products guys, ang bango. So, I'm really looking forward to using all these. So, from EcoShift Store, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.